What's the meaning of Concorde? Concorde. Concorde.
Concorde. Concorde. Concorde was a supersonic passenger aircraft with a maximum speed of over twice the speed of sound, designed and built jointly by British and French engineers. It operated commercially from 1976 to 2003, with a total of only 20 planes ever produced. The aircraft was known for its sleek design and advanced technology, including delta wings and afterburners. Despite its brief lifespan, Concorde made a significant contribution to aviation history and marked a milestone in supersonic transportation, paving the way for future advancements in the industry.